Why are you recording?
Because we're making chapter 2.
Of what?
Of that thing we did yesterday, remember?
I'm not doing it.
Oh, come on. Don't leave me to going down my own. Okay, so. As you can tell, that's ringing. I know. Well, oh my god. Something's there! Run! Run! Tyler, I saw something running. Tyler, I saw something running. I caught on camera. I actually caught something running on camera.
Let's see it then.
No, we gotta go in. Let's go. We gotta go. Quick, Tyler. Come on.
There's a dog in there.
I know, I saw it running. I'm having a heart attack. How are we gonna get that blue dog? I meant, how are we gonna get that blue bag? Okay, you don't need to ring that much, do you, Belle?
Let me get the blue bag then.
I'm not going in there. I saw something, Tyler.
No, I heard something.
Quick, Tyler! Shut the gate! Okay, guys. We made it back. But, okay. This is going to be part of episode 2. Okay, so, hope you enjoyed.
No.
Hope you enjoyed. Bye!